Hello, 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 everybody. It's the time that we have all been waiting for. It's the $5 Goodwill Christmas Challenge, and it's hosted by Hillary at Old World Home, and I will link her information below. And here is a picture of her right here. So she puts this challenge together every year. So below is the playlist, so you can go and check out all the participants that have participated in this challenge every season. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right in. So my pick was I went to Dollar Tree. I'm sorry, not Dollar Tree. I went to Goodwill and did a haul. And actually, I will be posting that haul tomorrow, and you guys can see the Goodwill haul that I posted. This dress is also a Goodwill find, and I have a shop with me outfit of the day video that will be coming up also, where you can see this dress and some of the other bound things that I found at Goodwill. But this video here is about this right here. So, and this sucker is pretty heavy. So I purchased this at Goodwill, and it's a blue tag, if you guys can see right there. It has the blue tag, and this was originally $12.99, but on Mondays, if you guys shop at Goodwill, you know that the certain color is always 75% off, only on Mondays, and then the percentage goes down throughout the week. Well, it was Monday, blue was 75% off, so this was $12.99, 75% off. I think I got this for like $2. This frame, this picture, and this sucker is heavy. It's a cute picture, but to me it's outdated. And I'm gonna do something special with it. So before we get into that, I just want to say, if you guys like me so far, head over to my channel, check out the rest of my videos. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, hit that bell to be notified, and subscribe to my channel. It's free. The next thing I'll be showing you guys is my tree. It's almost done, and the rest of my home decor for Christmas. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned to see what I do with this frame for my Christmas decorations. Don't forget to go look at that playlist down below. Thank you, Hillary, for hosting this challenge every season, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Okay, guys, so here is the finished look. So I decorated the frame like a Christmas present. And it has the colors of my decorations for this year. And I'm doing rose gold, silver, and white. And I think that picture frame came out quite nice. I had to be careful with that white wrap, because as you know, white picks up every little piece of everything. But I got it done. It's carefully hung up there. And let me pan back a little bit so you can see. That is the wall in my living room. And I think my $5 Goodwill find was just awesome. I actually got this idea from Diva Designing on a Dime, Miss Kimberly Davis. She has 2 of these in her living room, and I thought that was so cute. So when I saw that picture frame 75% off that day, I was like, yes, I have to get this and incorporate this into my colors. So guys, tell me what you think about my find. $5, well, it was less than $5. It was 75% off. The original price was $12.99, and that was 75% off on that Monday. So there you have it. My Goodwill challenge. I want to thank Hillary from Old World Home again for putting on this collaboration. And you guys can catch all of the other participants. And stay tuned for my Goodwill haul. I have 2 for you guys. And stay tuned for the reveal of my house for Christmas. And I will talk to you guys in another video. Peace.